What's going on, all you good looking people of the YouTube? I appreciate you joining me for yet again another video. Instead of detailing cars today, we're out looking at them in the beautiful historic downtown district of Sanford, Florida. Put on by the Misfires Car Club, this is the Groundhog Gala Car Show. Hot rods, rat rods, custom cars, vans, trucks, lowriders, they were here. In this little video, I'm just going to showcase some of the vehicles that were rolling into location. Make sure to hit that subscribe and that thumbs up as it makes the YouTube world go round. Now I'm pretty much going to keep my mouth shut, as not only the sights but the sounds are all part of the experience. Now I gotta say that early model's Buick Electra convertible was my favorite of the day, and this the most creepiest. Drop me a comment and come back and see what I get into next.